How to replace the L8070 linear light's down-emitting panel with an up-emitting panel. Use the uncovering tool that comes with the linear light to remove the upper cover. Be careful not to damage the black paint when removing the top cover. Turn the power supply to the corresponding position. Use screws to secure the front and rear safety wires. Connect top panel wires. White line and white line group. Black line and black line group. Red line and red line group. Use screws to secure the ground wire. Install the up panel. Press the up panel, and hear a click to indicate it is complete.